The length of the top is 32 inches and the width is 23 inches. Here we have the front and the back placed on fold, and we'll be cutting it at the same time. The neck width for the front and the back is 4 inches. The neck depth at the front is 9 inches and the neck depth for the back is 1 inch. You curve the neckline, and the shoulder of this boo-boo top won't have a joining, so I'll be opening the sleeve by 11.5 inches. Come in from the sleeve opening point by 3 inches. Then from there we'll curve down to the hem of the top. Next, you will slant the sleeve opening by 1 inch as shown. Cut out the neckline, lift up the front piece while cutting the front neckline so you don't cut it together. Then you go ahead to cut around the top. Here I'm marking the round sleeve of 11.5 and multiplying that by 2 to get the turn up for the sleeve. To get the center front strip, you mark out 1.5 inches on the front piece only. Connect the lines, then you cut out that area. The satin to replace the center front will be 2 inches placed on fold, and you'll be using half an inch to join the strip to the main fabric. To get started with sewing, place the satin on fold lengthwise and notch the folded area, and also notch the center back. I'm aligning the satin to know where the neckline for the front is starting from. Remember, 9 inches is the neck depth for the front, and on that point you sew a straight line on the middle of the satin all the way down. Next, you place the satin strip on fold in such a way that it takes its form as a neckline strip for the center front as shown. With the help of the notch created on the back neckline, you place the strip on the back neckline of the main piece and you sew by half an inch from that point all through the neckline and sewing it down to the hem of the top. When you're done sewing one side of the neckline to the hem, you repeat the same process from the back neck width to the hem of the top as shown. Here I'm coming in with the fabric to create the turn up at the round sleeve opening. It is 2 inches on fold, and I'm sewing it from the wrong side of the fabric onto the good side of the fabric by half an inch. Lay the strip flat and top stitch the seam allowance on the main fabric. This is just so the fabric turns up nicely and lays flat. Next, you place the sleeve on fold and sew down the side seam by 1 inch. Hem the top by folding half and half again. Sew all the way down on the front piece and repeat the same process on the back piece. After hemming, you close down the side seams at the end of the top. Next, you weave the hem of the satin strip and fold it down by half an inch. Ensure it is matching up with the adire print. Then you sew down. Close down the ends of both sides connected to the center strip. The top is ready. Here's a look on the wrong side, and here's a look on the right side. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.